Hey people, so I had set up this channel so that all the basic whatever gyan and anything that I've learned in life, I'd want to pass it on to people. So this is Raja Yoga in 1 minute. So Raja Yoga in one, like it, if you really want to like learn the easiest form of meditation, like I've been for Vipassana, that is a Buddhist form of meditation, and Sahaj Yoga, and then there's Kundalini Yoga. But Raja Yoga is all about just concentrating between the eyebrows at this point. It's called the Agnyaya Chakra, and once you do it, oh my god, it's like a literally some sort of magnet over there that you really get pulled in, sucked into that light energy here. No, generally, uh, they say energy, if you don't take it upwards, it'll go downwards. So if you know what I mean, that's what the people who overindulge in all the sex and all, they you end up feeling very drained, at least the ones who were married. When I was married, I could say that, but I don't know why I'm revealing so much, but on a platform, but literally. So in case your mind is getting deviated into all these weird kind of thoughts, just meditate, concentrate here. And otherwise also pour yourself into any creative activity, writing, painting, singing, dancing, anything, and you will find your energies being diverted in that direction. And of course, they say in the army and the military, they make them go for cross country races. A lot of sports also has a way of diverting the mind. So really, lots of gyan, almost a 2 minute video, but I think this is amazing. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.